I'm Zachary Fowler, and this is Slingshot versus Shepherd Sling. And we got Jason with us today, and we're talking about the slingshot versus the shepherd sling. And he has a theory that in the Bible, the shepherd sling that they talk about David killing Goliath with was not exactly the sling that we see in all of the beautiful drawings of David and Goliath. That it was actually a staff sling, which gave him a greater capability of accuracy and throw a heavier object.
Well, in the biblical text, it talks about David having his staff in his hand when he went to the river to get his 5 smooth stones. And when he stands before Goliath, Goliath asks him, Am I a dog boy that you come at me with a stick?
You wouldn't go into battle and carry something that you intend to drop, because you couldn't exactly, like you're saying, you couldn't exactly operate the, you're trying to operate the load your sling while holding on to your stick. I know I can't do anything else while I'm loading my slingshot.
That's just it.
Yeah.
This traditional shepherd sling takes 2 hands to perform.
So what do you do with your stick? You're
gonna have to toss it on the ground, and that makes no sense.
Yeah.
At least not until after.
So let's rig up the slings, and we're gonna test out speed, power, and accuracy, and see which one's faster, which one's stronger. Let's make it happen. All right, so this is the staff sling, and the one that Jason prefers. And man, he's accurate as heck with this thing. It's just basically a sling, but it's tied onto here instead of this one's tied to your finger. And this loop, instead of being looped on your other finger as you flip forward, goes on the end of the stick. Gives you the leverage of the whole pole plus your line here. And you can lock it in, so as you're walking around, you can hold it up against the stick and then just be able to flip it down, and you're in action mode, and boom, you're going for it. Whereas the other sling, you spin it around and you throw it at your game. You might be scaring them off. And chuck it at the ground.
Do its work.
I think it's actually a more viable, quick solution. And you always have your stick too there, so if you miss, or if you do hit it and you gotta finish it off, whatever your game is, boom.
David's talked about killing bears and lions, and I'd want a stick with me. Ooh.
So Jason's been flinging these size rocks here with the staff sling with a great degree of accuracy, and I made a tough slingshot with double Thunderband gold and a big rock chucker pouch, and the most I'm probably going to be able to shoot is stuff like this size. So already the slingshot fails in rock chuckability size. He is able to move a heavy rock. I think maybe I can get a greater degree of accuracy. Ooh! Did that go through? No, I hit his soft spot and took some more plywood off. I was trying to punch through where he had already started to take advantage of his all the hard work he did. Oh, again.
Spot.
All right, just for the heck of it, I'm gonna try one rock about the size that he was chucking. See if I can't make it go. I could have thrown it faster. All right, so we're going for a bit of speed and accuracy now. We got some sodas out, and we're gonna see. I got 3 for me and 3 for him. See, you can get there 3 first, and how much damage these take. We're about 30 feet off. Let's see what we can do.
3, 2,
ready,
1,
set, go. Oh, he gets the first one.
Boom!
Oh, one down. The level of anxiety to try to beat the other person too doesn't help me. Like trying to... Oh, I gotta... Oh, I've hit 3 cans. I only managed to actually damage 1. So, this is the can that I actually impacted and blew out. And this is his. Look at the top of it. It actually warped out. The impact was so great that it caused the can to deform before it blew apart. I hit all 3 of my cans in less time than it took him, and I don't know, we'll have to watch it on the replay. I think I fired almost twice as many shots. Let's get the melon out here.
Okay.
Let's get the melon out here. All right, so we got a honeydew melon. So the trick to shooting rocks is the bigger the rock, the straighter it's gonna fly. Over 25 feet though, they start flying off because of the wind resistance anyway. Ooh, took a chunk out of it right there. Want a more direct shot before I turn it over to the slinger here. Oh, nice. Let's see if we get 3 for 3 here. Oh, 3 for 3. That's gonna leave a mark. Right there, that's the rock that did the damage. That's with the slingshot. Now we'll spin it around, let Jason and his sling have a go at it. Oh! 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 Took the whole backside of her out. Look at that melon. She's seeing the end. It's 60 degrees out here. It's the middle of February here in Maine, on the coast of Maine, and I'm eating melon. That's good. It's gotta be the weirdest February ever. It is so warm out here. All right, let's shoot some more stuff. We've got the gelatin. So there it is, my homemade ballistic shell, and you see that shadow inside? That's a coconut in there. Since we've been talking about David and Goliath, we've put a coconut inside to replicate, like, you know, the skull. So we want to see if, well, we'll see if my slingshot can do some damage, and then we're gonna see if Jason's sling can take it out like David took out Goliath with 1 shot. All right, you guys have any predictions? I'm predicting that the slingshot just bounces off the gelatin.
No.
Yeah. I don't think it's.
You'll get into the gelatin, but
I don't think it's going to.
You may not reach the coconut inside.
Oops. Oh!
Yeah, you were right.
I hit it, and it looks like it gave it some damage, but I was kind of predicting this from the beginning, that rocks aren't going to do much to the gelatin. Oh! Did that bounce off of it or stick into it?
It's stuck in.
You think it's stuck in?
Yeah.
So I got some 1/2-inch ammo steel. Should be more accurate. I want to see if I can't break that coconut before he gets at it. Ooh! I think that went right through the gelatin, but not into the coconut. Oh!
There you go.
Oh! I heard that one go in and hit the coconut. Let's go see what it did. Went in and bounced off the coconut, I think. Yeah, I could feel the coconut right there. And I got one sunk into the top here, and one that went in here, the rock, and came out and fell out right there.
There's a couple of.
Oh yeah.
That you've gone right.
A couple of, like, skimmed right through the top. I don't think they. Oh, did they?
Oh yeah, no, they went right through.
They cut right through. Okay, yeah. So.
Impressive.
All right, spin it around. There we go, fresh side, all yours. You ready?
Okay.
Oh, I can't believe you hit it in the first shot, though. Yeah. That was great. All right, once again, send it. I'm gonna shave away some of the gelatin till we're down to the 1/2 inch of material between that and the coconut. It is food grade gelatin, but it doesn't taste very good because I used cinnamon to get the bubbles out, and apparently I didn't use enough of it. So now we've made the target smaller, but the coconut is only everywhere about a 1/2 inch underneath the gelatin, which is, I think, a little bit more realistic. Let's give her a try.
Oh. Thank you, Goodwill camera stand.
Oh! Just throat punched him. He's down. He's down.
Oh man.
All right, we moved up 3 paces just so we can see if we can really give him some damage. He keeps hitting it, but it's like all the gelatin and stuff, it absorbs it and it kind of slides to the side. Oh, man.
Took his ear off. It's good.
Oh. All right, I'm gonna see if I get it in beginner's luck. Oh, man. Oh, hit it.
That did it. We put some screws in it so it stopped moving.
We hit it. All right, let's see what we did. Finally, a more direct shot. Not quite the center, bring it right in here. We got, look at that, some chunks right there. Split his coconut right open. Get it right in here. Nice and close. I didn't actually puncture through the coconut meat. So it's a lot of broken pieces of coconut. Let's see what else we can do. Oh, that camera stand is done. Oh. Oh, that's it. That coconut is done. Devastated it.
Ouch.
Well, that did a number on him. I think that's more than evident that it's more than capable of taking out a soldier, even a giant like Goliath. Awesome. Let's see what we can do with speed-wise. Which one's faster? All right, we got Chris back there and the Pro Chrono. It's gonna tell us our speed. And we got this protective piece of plywood. We're gonna shoot through there with the slingshot and the sling. See what we got for speed out of these guys. Slingshot with the rocks.
146.
I'm gonna try an active flip, meaning that I'm just tweaking it out as I fire so it increases my speed.
156.
156, picking up speed. And this is an exceptionally big rock. Nothing?
156.
156, all right. So I'm getting up to 156 with the rocks. I'm gonna switch to steel ammo, which is a lot smaller, nice and round. See what the difference is.
164. 181.
Try a different grip.
208.
208, all right.
216.
216. Is that my biggest?
That's the highest yet. 199.
Oh.
194.
We're losing power, Captain.
192.
192, huh? Well, I've gotten faster out of other slingshots, but nothing with the capability of throwing such a heavy rock as this. Let's give Jason a try and see what he gets with the sling.
That was close. I almost got it through the V.
Oh, I don't know.
Is that scary back there?
I don't know.
He's fearing for his life back there.
That sounded like it had some power.
Come, sling it.
Get back in there, Dobby.
Let me get the head.
What are you getting paid for anyway?
That way I don't get too concussed if it does come through.
Concussed. What do you get? Oh yeah, there you go. That's gonna save your life there. That backup piece of plywood.
It'll be better than nothing.
Somebody's got to make the readings.
You got it.
All right, go for it. Send it.
All right. Jeez.
No reading.
Oh, come on.
He gets it through and no reading.
There you go. 109.
109.
Jeez. Sorry.
No reading.
There we go. Slow though.
93.
93.
I knew that was a little slow.
Error.
Oh.
Holy mackerel.
All right, maybe this isn't good. Maybe I shouldn't be allowed to do this. Trying to get it through the triangle. I almost, right after I miss, I see Chris's butt sticking out from the side of the plywood there. I almost got him. The slingshot is awesome. The staff sling is great. It's hard to say. You had 109 on your fastest speed that we were able to get a reading from it. And I had,
You know, twice that.
yeah, twice
216.
216, you know, and I've gotten, you know, when I'm using matched ammo and a thinner latex, I can get up to 249, 250 with it. So it's faster, somewhat more accurate at shorter ranges. We see you have a problem with that.
Yep.
But it's definitely, this is the devastator when you if you get hit with that. That devastation is unreal. I was slightly more accurate at being able to hit the cans, but you nailed the can even before I did, so.
One more thing, I went online and found a foot-pound calculator, and if you look at the top, I added in all of our calculations of our speed and the weight of our ammo, my slingshot stone, then the steel ammo from my slingshot, and then at the bottom, Jason's stone, 3,000 grains with 109 feet per second, giving him foot-pounds of 79, pretty much double what I had with my slingshot.
I don't know, it's a toss-up. Leave in the comments below, what do you guys think? Slingshot or the staff sling? Who made the win here? Who's the victor in this match-off? The versus, I think it's too close to even judge it. They both have their own applications. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to get a slingshot for yourself, purchase one on Fowler's Makery Mischief.com. And if you want a sling, hey, look it up online. You can make your own. You don't have to spend any money anywhere. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Fowler out. Pull. Whoa! Let's see you do that, sling man.
Just click right here to go to the website, get yourself slingshot survival gear. Over here to subscribe. Down here is what YouTube thinks is the best video you should watch. And over here is the latest upload. Thanks for watching.